Hi, I'm Nalakshmi. Welcome to our project evolution presentation for economic evolution, focused on the dedicated freight corridor or DFC. Today, I will provide an overview of the DFC, discussing its purpose, scope, and its significance in enhancing India's logistic and economic landscape. Let's get started with the project overview. Currently, Indian Railways, which is critical to our logistics and supply chains, faces a significant challenge. Due to the periodization of passenger trains, freight trains often experience delays, leading to high logistics costs and inefficiencies. This situation affects industries reliant on timely good movement and impacts India's competitiveness in global markets. The DFC was conceived as a solution to this problem. Its primary purpose is establishing dedicated, high capacity rail lines exclusively for freight transportation. By separating freight from passenger traffic, the DFC aims to enhance efficiency, reduce transit times, and lower logistic cost. The project strategically aligns with India's economic goals, promoting smoother movement of goods domestically and internationally, which is vital for sustaining economic growth. Through this project, India seeks to support industrial growth, lower logistic expenses, and ultimately boost its standing in the global economy.
Let's dive into the specific structures and features of dedicated freight corridor. The DFC project is organized into two main corridors that transfer some of India's most economically significant regions. The eastern and western dedicated freight corridors. The EDFC stretches from Ludhiana in Punjab to Dunanki in West Bengal. This corridor is strategically important for transporting essential goods like coal, iron, steel, and food grains to various industries across northern and eastern India. By providing a dedicated line for these commodities, the EDFC directly supports industrial hubs and ensures a steady supply chain for crucial resources. On the other side, we have Western Dedicated Freight Corridor, which connects Delhi to the port city of Mumbai. This corridor links India's largest ports to major industrial zones, supporting domestic distribution and export activities. The WFC is essential for enhancing India's trade capabilities as it facilitates faster movement of goods to and from ports, thus reducing the delays and improving overall trade efficiency. The technological innovation that sets the DFC apart are: one prominent feature is highly powered electric locomotive developed in collaboration with Alstom, which significantly reduces emission compared to traditional diesel engines. These locomotives are environmental friendly and capability of speed up to 120 kilometers per hour with maximum load capacity of 6,000 tons, making them highly efficient for long distance freight movement. The DFC infrastructure is specifically designed to handle double-stack container trains, which can carry large volumes of goods than traditional railways. This upgraded capacity allows for quicker and more economical transportation of goods, addressing one of the significant logistical challenges in India. In conclusion, the dedicated freight corridor is more than just a transportation project. It is a crucial component in India's strategy for economic growth, trade expansion, and industrial efficiency.
Prasad Monraj. Today I'm going to discuss about the micro settings. The DFC is a transformative project that stretches across multiple states, boosting local economics by creating jobs, improving land use, and connecting regions like never before. Second one is key stakeholders, including local governments, affected communities, and logistic firms, play a vital role in ensuring the project success and aligning it with local needs. And third one is technological advancements. The DFC also brings cutting edge technology with high speed electrical locomotives, double stack containers, and advanced signaling systems, all tailored to India. So it will help to economical growth and regional integration and innovation across India.
Hello, let's see the benefits of the DFC project. The DFC reduces logistical costs and enhances transportation efficiency, serving as a critical component of India's strategy to boost its logistical infrastructure. The project is expected to contribute to an annual GDP boost of 55 billion, supporting job creations for 1.5 million people during the construction phase and 200,000 permanent jobs thereafter. It also facilitates major health improvements by reducing air pollution, which is anticipated to save 15 billion because of reducing trucks here and there across the corridor. The cash flow statement: the DFC is expected to generate 3.5 billion annually from freight charges, With the operating expenses controlled at 750 million per year, the project shows promising growth in net cash flow over its 30 years lifespan. This robust financial structure is crucial for the project's viability and future scalability. Significant savings of 22.85 billion in emission costs and 15 billion in health costs savings over 30 years due to improved air quality. These figures underscore the project's impact on the environmental sustainability and its role in enhancing public health and economic activity in these areas. The net project value, or NPV, stands at $8.6 billion, reflecting in its substantial profitable and economic value. The IRR is impressive at 12%, exceeding typical capital costs, which ensures the financial health of the project. Sensitivity analysis also indicates resilience to economic fluctuations, making a positive outlook under various scenarios.
Let's look into the risk assessment of the project. First, freight volume risk. The DFC relies on high freight volumes for steady revenue, so any drop could impact finances. To address this, the team is diversifying its clients based across sectors like manufacturing and retail and forming long-term partnership with logistic firms to keep the demand stable. Construction cost overrun is another risk, as large projects often face unexpected costs. To handle this, they have set up a project management office to monitor budgets, and they're using fixed rate contracts to control material costs. With the contingency fund for any surprises, then there's operational cost increase. Once operational, the DFC will face ongoing maintenance and staffing expenses. They're managing this with predictive maintenance technology to catch issues early and fixed rate contracts for routine supplies, keeping costs sustainable. On the environmental impact side, the DFC could disrupt ecosystems during construction, so the team is using eco-friendly practices like electric locomotives and reforestation projects to reduce its footprint. Moving on to the next slide, land acquisition challenges involve complex negotiations and potential delays, so the team is engaging early with communities and setting fair compensation policies. Regulatory changes are another factor. They are staying aligned with policies to avoid setbacks. Economic fluctuations are managed with hedging strategies and fixed interest loans, while technological obsolescence is addressed with modular systems for easy upgrades. Lastly, they are tackling health and safety and supply delays through rigorous safety protocols and diverse supplier networks to keep the timeline intact.
To ensure the success of the dedicated freight corridor project, we recommend some key strategic actions and further analysis that will strengthen its foundation and adaptability. Firstly, coordinated land acquisition is essential. Establishing a centralized body that works with state government can help smoothen disputes and speed up the acquisition process. Offering a flexible, transparent compensation model that will help us gain the trust of affected communities, ensuring smoother transitions. Environmental safeguards are equally important. By integrating eco-friendly practices like renewable energy installations along the corridor and conducting regular environmental assessments, we not only minimize ecological disruptions but also build a more sustainable future for this infrastructure. With the advanced technology involved in the DFC, from automated signaling to double stack container trains, workforce preparedness is crucial. Early investments in workforce training plus partnership with international experts will ensure we maintain efficiency and avoid cost delays. On the financial side, flexible contracts and a robust oversight mechanism will help manage cost effectively. By accounting for price fluctuations, labor costs, and inflation, we can protect the project's financial resilience. For a stronger foundation, we suggest further analysis in several areas like market demand, environmental impact, and ongoing technology assessments. These studies will sharpen our planning, help us tailor services, and maximize the DFC's regional impact. These recommendations are designed to create a resilient, adaptable, and community centered freight corridor that aligns with India's future needs and priorities. By implementing these strategies, we position the DFC not only as a transformative infrastructure project but as a sustainable pathway for India's economic growth. Thank you.